Hello and welcome to today's MSOB Monday. I'm Adam Furman. We're visiting Examine Pro today and we're going to take a look at Project Vic. So in order to use Project Vic, you need to go to the options in Examine Pro. And if you go to the Project Vic section, this is where you can handle Project Vic databases. So you can see here I've got a UK CAID, an official one, and then I've got a local CAID that I have created myself. In order to create a Vic database, you need to import a JSON file and then set it as official or local and then store the details in the relevant places. So once you've done that, and you can see here that I've imported two, then once we click OK, and we go into all of our artifacts or pictures, because that's where these checks are going to be carried out, you can see on the ribbon bar, I can go straight up to Project Vic, and then I can perform a Project Vic check. And it's going to ask me which database I want to run it over, because you could see in the settings that I have two. I'm going to choose my local one, and then I could run it over filtered or the entire case. I'm going to run it over filtered because I've filtered on pictures. We simply hit check and we let that run. Once that check is complete, it will inform us if there have been any hits, and we can see here I marked 4 files, so I knew that I would return 4 hits. And once we press OK, that is going to apply a Project Vic filter on the left hand filter menu. And once we let those results load in, I can simply select category A if I wanted to view that, category B and C and so on. So if we click category C, you can see that I've got my settings to hide the actual image. If I want to see it, I have to double click it, which then will allow me to view it as a picture file. This way it helps people and stops them from viewing images if it is not part of their day-to-day work and they're not used to these type of illicit images. We hope that you've enjoyed today's MSAB Monday and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.